1. Turmeric. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that could promote a healthy scalp environment. You can add turmeric to your meals or make turmeric-infused beverages like golden milk. 2. Black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which may enhance the absorption of certain nutrients. This can be beneficial if you're consuming other hair-nourishing foods alongside black pepper. 3. Cinnamon. Cinnamon contains antioxidants that may help improve blood circulation. Good blood circulation to the scalp is essential for providing nutrients and oxygen to hair follicles. You can sprinkle cinnamon on various dishes, add it to smoothies, or brewed cinnamon tea. Ingredients: cinnamon, turmeric, black pepper. Drink 1 glass before bed.